So I'm having basically the same issue that the other guy is having on this post, in that I hear this weird noise, this tut 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 tut. You can kind of hear it, and I'm up against a wall just like he was. So I'm just wondering what that might be. I just replaced the oxygen sensor last night. The idle was pretty smooth. I was having an issue before I replaced the oxygen sensor where whenever I started up my car, it would rev up really high, like 2.5 RPMs. I do have that secondary air injection. I've read various things, but anyway, I'm still trying to figure that out as far as the noise. So thanks a lot for your help.